Doctors recommend checking your blood pressure regularly. And with the Boira BC20 wrist blood pressure monitor, you can easily calculate your own data from the comfort of your own home. Just rest the BC20 on your wrist to measure your blood pressure and pulse automatically. The measurements appear clearly on the large LCD display. You can keep track of your results over prolonged periods thanks to the large memory space, which holds up to 60 measurement results. The Boira BC20 has the German Hypertension Society's seal of approval, awarded for guaranteed precision, safety, and reliability. Only a few devices have been awarded with this accolade worldwide. Quality that you can trust. The Boira BC20 Wrist Blood Pressure Monitor.